Online learning, free courses.
Gig extras. Okay, so what I'm looking for is outside of the packages, I'm also looking for the gig extras because you can do both. Now, sometimes, like on this gig, I'm actually supposed to have gig extras enabled. Um, Actually, it's not even something you enable, it's just like it's supposed to be there and you can insert them if you want. But sometimes, if you go back in and you re-edit your gigs a couple times, you may have to contact support to like override those things and allow you to insert more gig extras. So that may be what I'm going to have to do here. Let me look at this one. Okay, so here, yeah, perfect. But I don't have packages enabled for this one. So normally what I'm talking about right now is and hold on before I misinform you. Okay, so when you're just starting out, you are allowed to have 2 gig extras outside of your basic gig. So that means you're allowed to have 3 variations, like one basic, a $10, and a $20 extra. And then people can order up to 5 quantities. They call it gig multiples. I don't know why they just call it quantities, but then they allow you people to order up to 5 of those each. And then, like we talked about, you're allowed to have 7 gigs when you're just starting. So going back here, sorry. So what you would normally see if you're doing packages, is you'd have this $5 gig. Let's say it's a $25 gig and like a $50 package. And you'd see that all right here on the sidebar. And then down here, you have your gig extras. And so people can order extra keyword research or an SEO blog post, or maybe it's manual link building. So whatever it may be. Now, like we just said, if you're just starting out, you can only go up to $10 here and $20 here. But hey, that's good money. When I was first starting out, they didn't allow you to even have that until you were a seller 1 or a level 1. I apologize. So again, you guys are all getting advantage. It's like they moved all of the levels up and everyone gets a free level up now, which is cool. So with that being said, let's just quickly go over what level 1 and level 2 and then the top seller gig extras are. So in level 1, you get to add 4 gig extras. You get a $10, a $20, and up to a $40 gig extra. So you get 3 gig extras because they're also including the basic gig here. Yeah, you get to send custom offers when you're a level 1 up to $1,500, which is really cool. You know, here's where the value ladder comes in, right? Like you guys see, here's your front end package, your $5, $10, $20 services up to $40. That's like almost a mid funnel level price point. And then you have all the way up to like $1,500, which is like a high-end product or a high-ticket product. So that's so cool that even as a level 1, you guys can almost have a full value ladder built out right inside of Fiverr. And I'm going to show you how to do that at the end of this course. And people can order up to 10 quantities of that gig. And you can have 15 extra or active gigs when you are a level 1, which is awesome because that is more than double what you are without being a level 1. So from there, when you're a level 2, you can have up to 20 active gigs, and you can now make sure. I think the most I've ever gone up to was 15. And I think that was the limit at the time. The reason I've never gone past that is because even when I was at 15, I found that only 5 were really making me money. And the rest were just kind of getting impressions, and maybe I would get a message or two about it, but I wasn't really getting any sales from those. So I literally stopped offering the ones that weren't doing well, and I only offered what I was making money off of. And that's why I tell you guys, as you start, make as many gigs as you can, and then you'll figure out what it is that your biggest money makers are as you go along. You can offer up to $50 gig extras, and that's huge, because I want to break this down for you guys. When it says 5 gig extras, that means you could offer 4 $50 extras if you wanted to. So that's a lot of money, right? And just 1 gig that someone could buy with you. So people can buy up to 15 quantities of that. And then as a top seller, you can have up to 30 active gigs, which they've extended. I'm pretty sure the top used to be 20 and now it's 30. And you can offer up to 6 gig extras now, and each can be up to $100. So that's so amazing, right? Like, there's so much value that you can offer there. And then of course, people can buy up to 20 quantities of your gig at a time. So I just wanted to break that down for you guys and just kind of show you, like, Fiverr isn't this platform where you have to slave away anymore. It can really be something that can help you leverage your business and expand your business in whatever you're doing right now. Just starting at that low dollar, $5, $10 price point, working your way all the way up to, $1,500. Like, that's so amazing. And I will tell you that Fiverr is the easiest money that I've ever made online. I am not partnered with them in any way outside of being a Fiverr top seller, and it's been truly amazing in what selling on there has allowed me to do. And I started just selling $5 gigs, and now I have my own marketing company. I'm expanding and going into a bunch of other markets now as well. So I could have never been able to do all of that had I not got my start on Fiverr, and because it gave me such a consistent income. I knew that I could go on there and I knew that I would make money. And there's not a lot of places online where you can say that and know for sure that there's going to be enough traffic and enough buyers there to make you money. And on Fiverr, there definitely is. So I hope that has been helpful for you guys, and you can join me in the next video.